Hi, beautiful people. Oh my god, that was the creepiest. Okay, I'm sorry. Hold on. Hi, everyone. That was even worse. What? Anyway, in today's video, we are going to be reviewing the new Naked Reloaded palette, and I'm also going to be doing a giveaway to one of you guys. So one of you guys will get a chance to win one Naked Reloaded palette because I did end up ordering it myself, and then I ended up getting it in PR today, the day that I'm refilming this video. So instead of letting it sit and like collect dust, I'm going to give one away to one lucky winner. So all you guys have to do to enter the giveaway is just make sure that you are subscribed to this YouTube channel, leave a comment down below, and give this video a big thumbs up. If you want an extra entry, head over to our Instagram and you can just comment on the last post, follow me on there of course, and then comment on my last post just letting me know that you entered the giveaway. And that is it. That is all that you have to do. I will also be doing an eyeshadow tutorial on the eyeshadow look that I'm wearing on my eyes right now. I will be swatching the palette for you guys, and yeah, that'll be it for the video. So if you want to see all of that, then just keep on watching. All right, so now that that is out of the way, I'm just gonna give you some quick facts about the palette. I'm not gonna go into like too much depth because you guys know that I can talk forever, and I feel like a lot of you don't like that. So anyway, the palette retails for $44 and shipping was pretty fast. I got mine within like 3 days. My hair is really bothering me. Anyway, yeah, I got mine within like 3 days. It came pretty fast. When you get the palette, it comes in this cardboard box, and this is pretty usual for the Naked palettes. This one does have a padded, a cushiony, that sounds weird. But yeah, this does come with a padded soft cushion type of cover. At first I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I actually really like it. It almost looks like a chocolate bar too. I don't know, I really like it, and it feels really soft to the touch. It feels good in the hand and I like it. So I don't know, I already said that. Let me burp. It still has a mirror on the inside, and then this here is like made out of a hard plastic, and then you can see the pants, some of them are a little bit wider than the usual Naked palettes. So those are the differences between this palette and the other Naked palette. And yeah, this one is pretty warm toned as well. So yeah, I think that's pretty much everything that I wanted to say. It does have a magnetic closure still, so yeah. Okay, so now that that is all out of the way, let me go ahead and show you the tutorial, and I will be right back. Alright, so for the tutorial, I hope you guys don't mind. I am doing a voiceover. I just figured this is going to make the videos a little bit shorter. Anyway, the first color that I'm using is the peachy color, and I'm using this with a large fluffy brush, and I'm basically just going to blow this color out all over the lid and the outer corners, and I'm just going to continue to build the color up until I'm happy with the pigment that I have. So once I'm done, as you guys can see, it's a lot more pigmented now. I did go in a few times, but anyway, once I'm happy with the color, I'm going to come in with the brown shade right here, which is the darker brown. I'm using a MAC 224, and I'm going to just concentrate this right in the outer corner, and I don't want this look to be super pigmented, so I'm just kind of doing these light strokes. Not even strokes, I'm kind of just like patting it in and then blending the edges. So once I'm happy with the pigmentation, I'm going to go ahead and move on to cutting the crease, and to do that I'm going to use my NARS concealer in the shade Chantilly, and I'm using this tiny little brush from Smashbox, and yeah, I'm basically just making the shape and making sure that it's as sharp as I'd like it to be. For the first color on the lid, I'm coming in with that light beige color and applying it to the very inner corner. For the second color, I'm going to come in with the peachy color one more time, and you just want to make sure that you blend each color in between each shade into each other so that it looks more like a gradient. For the last color, I'm going to come in with this beigey kind of like tan color, and I'm just applying that to the end. And again, I'm just going to make sure that everything is blended right into each other so it looks more like a gradient. So I am going to take this brush and kind of go over everything one more time. All right, next I'm coming in with the NYX white eyeliner, and I'm just going to apply it right at the very edge of where we cut the crease. I really suck at doing this part, so I'm sorry it's not perfect, and that eyeliner does crack. But anyway, we're doing the best that we can here. For the eyeliner, I'm just using this liquid eyeliner from Winky Lux is the company, and it's actually a really good eyeliner. The felt tip is perfect for a winged liner, and yeah, it's super pigmented, so I really did like this eyeliner. I just thought I should let you guys know. Once the wing is perfect, my wings are never perfect, but anyway, until you're satisfied with your winged liner, go ahead and apply some lashes. I am using these from Morphe brushes. I don't remember the exact style name, but it's okay. Sorry, I got lost in my thoughts. Anyway, I'm just taking a concealer now, and I'm just cleaning the edge of the winged liner, and then I'm also applying a little bit more concealer to my lower lash line. For the lower lash line, I'm just basically applying the dark brown shade and then the light brown shade, and I'm just going to smoke it out down there as well. Then I'm taking this blue pencil from Marc Jacobs Beauty, and I'm applying that to the waterline. To the waterline. And then once that's all done, I am going to take the shimmery shade from the palette and applying that to the inner corner. And lastly, I am grabbing this brand new mascara from L'Oreal. It is so good. Honestly, it's a really great mascara, and it does this thing where you can flip it backwards, and it's just perfect for the angles when you apply mascara to the lower lash. So 13 out of 10 recommend. And that's it. That is pretty much the finished look. I know that it's not anything super fancy, but I hope that you guys like it. So yeah. Alright, so now that you guys saw the eyeshadow tutorial, I hope you liked it. It wasn't anything crazy. As you guys can see, it was pretty easy, all matte except for the inner corner. I did try to use these shimmers like 2 days ago, and I don't know, I didn't really like the look that I did, so that's why I decided to go with something like this with a little bit of a pop of color. I did just want to do a easy blending technique, kind of like eyeshadow look, something fun with a little pop of color. So I hope that you guys like it, but anyway, let me go ahead and show you these swatches.
Shades of blue colors, neon skies, you feel it, closer to danger, just a touch won't be enough. Oh, in the world of Eden,
So I am back, and we're gonna answer the question, do I recommend this palette or not? Honestly, yes, I think the palette is perfect for everyday looks. I was really happy with the formula and the blendability of all of the eyeshadows. I did not have any issues with blending any of the eyeshadows. I will say that the shimmers are not as shimmery as I would like them to be. I did try to do a look with incorporating some of the shimmers yesterday, and they were definitely shimmery, don't get me wrong. Like, you can definitely see that they're shimmery and they're beautiful, but I don't know, I just like a little bit more of a shimmer. So yeah, I think it's still a great palette. If I had to buy it again tomorrow, I would, because I really like the palette. But if you're looking this is so hard to say. Like, basically, like, if you're gonna ask me, if let's say you guys are on a budget and you need to make a decision if you want to purchase the Sultry palette or this guy right here, I would have to say go with the Sultry palette, just because there are different textures in that palette. The shimmeries are definitely like shimmery, like they definitely pack a punch. There's a matte black in there, and there's just other colors. But if you're able to get both, or if you already have the Sultry palette and you just want to add another one to your collection, I say go for this one, because honestly it is a beautiful palette and it's perfect for like everyday looks, and you can definitely just put a look together with just this one eyeshadow palette. And I don't know, the colors are definitely really beautiful in this palette, so I do recommend the palette. So that is the question. The answer is that I do recommend it. If you had to pick between Sultry and this one, I would say go with Sultry, just because I feel like you have a little bit more options with Sultry, but Sultry is more cool toned, so that also depends if you like cool tones or not. But anyway, I'm gonna leave it at that. You guys make your own decisions. I don't want to be involved. I'm just giving you my opinion, but I do love both palettes and I do recommend this one. So with all of that being said, I'm gonna get going. Don't forget that if you want to join the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to this YouTube channel, leave a comment down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and share the video. Also, if you want extra entries, you can go onto our Instagram, follow us on there, and just comment on the last post letting us know that you would like an extra entry. Again, you don't have to do the whole Instagram thing. That is just for extra entries. So yeah, one lucky person will get to win a Naked Reloaded palette. I'm so excited that I'm able to do this for you guys, so good luck. And if you have any comments or suggestions for future videos, let us know down below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.
Lost in temptation.